How to see all avatars in VRChat Oculus Quest. For this, the simple answer is you will not be able to see all of the avatar in VRChat Oculus Quest. This is because by manual or by default, the avatar performance range has been arranged in medium. So if the avatar performance is below medium, that is poor and very poor, the avatar will simply not be shown on the list. To manage this default setting, you have to adjust the performance option. For that, go ahead and access to your performance option. You can do that through your user actions and your view avatar details, from which you have to go ahead and select the option of performance options. However, if you shift your performance option to low and very low or poor to very poor, you will have less FPS in your game. And that is the compromise you'll be doing if you want to arrange your performance rank to very poor or even poor. To manage it, right here under Avatar Performance, you will see minimum displayed performance rank. You have to set it to very poor. And as you can see, the maximum avatar download size is just of 75 MB, which means that you will have a low FPS. The problem of lower FPS can be solved if you have a very good quality of PC or your VR set. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.